Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5 S model. We're doing tie rods inner and outer on both sides, and we're gonna do an oil change. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, I went ahead and sprayed it down. It's WD-40, PB Blast, whatever you want, and broke it free. I used a hammer, tapped the end of it just to give it some torque. Alright, we gotta remove this cotter pin. Got the cotter pin out. That's gonna be a 19 mil. And now we want to tap the spindle right here. Alright, broke that free. Got some nice wobble in that. Nice play. And of course, make sure you count your threads when we reinstall. You want to put it in the same formation. Alright, that inner, we got a little play, but it's not too bad, but it's definitely moving. Now I want to get this bolt off. It's pretty tight, so I'm holding that in. Put a 22 on this, and I'm gonna back that out. Got that off. I'm gonna take our boot off. Got this clip here. Once we get that off, we gotta get back here. It's a clip right there. We gotta get that off. Should be able to get it from this side. I'll show you. That clip, that piece right there, you wanna knock it, break it free. I just used my flathead and just tapped it, and it's broken free. Boot off, we can reuse that. Yeah, these new ones gonna be a lot better. This is not too bad, but go ahead and get this preventative maintenance out the way. Alright, luckily I was able to get this up in here like that. And I hit that in with my hammer. Get a little force, bump it free, and we can come off. And there we go, inner and outer. Alright, so the fact of the matter is that we want no play. Now, I was able to move this around. This, I can't, as you can see. No play. I got too much play. See that, right? Can't do that with that. Alright, brand new one. No play. This one, got play. That's the difference. You want a stiff, firm ride. We're gonna reinstall. Now I want to notate, we got this piece here, this plastic piece. You want to make sure that's still on there before we put the new one on. Put that on. that turned it to a 17 mil. You want to line it up so you can get your cotter pin through there. You got a brand new one. Alright, make sure that you tighten up back here. And you got a zip tie. Put a zip tie back there because that plastic or this metal one not going to work. So that's going to be it for both sides. That's the same procedure. Alright, we got it up in the air. We want to go ahead and do this oil. Get this drain plug. It's 14 millimeter. It's going to be right here. Alright, that drain, the oil filter is actually on the passenger side. Got a little flap right here you want to remove. I'm not going to do that. While I'm up under here, I'm going to just reach back here and just take it from, you know, loosen it up. Because I can reach it. I'm going to use this oil filter climber. Like that. We're gonna put this drain plug back in here, and then we're gonna move this pan over and let that drip down. All right, now we're going in with our new filter. You want to wipe down that surface before you put it in, and make sure you put a little oil around the gasket, fresh oil. Alright, we're good. We're going to add the oil. So we're going with the 5W30 full synthetic. And once you fill that up, you want to get inside, start it up, rev it up about 2,000 RPMs for about 3 seconds. Build up the oil pressure. Come out here and check your oil level. Once you verify your level is good, and then you're done. All right, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.